Hi, I'm Dan Brookman. I'm an agent with Sally Insurance Group, and today I'm going to be talking to you about life insurance. So life insurance is something that nobody wants to think about because nobody wants to think about dying. But how will your family manage financially if something were to happen to you? We all know it's the responsible thing to do, but sometimes there's just something in our way because we just aren't sure exactly how to get started. So today I'm going to tell you the steps involved with getting a life insurance policy in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1, you need to sit down with an agent and you need to discuss your need for both the amount and the right type of life insurance. Make sure you get a calculation done and talk about the pros and cons of the different types of policies. From there, step 2 will be just to take an application where you're going to give them, the agent, very basic information, your name, date of birth, address, who you want your beneficiaries to be, things of that nature. Finally, in the 3rd step, you'll probably have to take a phone interview if the agent doesn't ask you medical questions to get all the medical information that the insurance company is going to need. And you'll probably also have to do a mini exam where a phlebotomist will come out to either your home or office to perform a height and weight measurement, blood pressure measurement, and take some fluids like blood and urine. After that, you're done. Your insurance company may order records from your doctor just to look into that and make sure that everything checks out, and then you'll be good to go. You'll have a life insurance policy. You just need to make your premiums, and then you'll have the peace of mind of knowing that your family is taken care of if something ever happens to you. Once again, I'm Dan Brookman from Sally Insurance. If you need a good agent, feel free to call me, 614-818-9467. And thanks again for a great 2 Minute Tuesday.